Hello everyone, today we're going to
New York, concrete jungle where dreams are made of. There's nothing you can't do. Now you're in New York.
the voice cracks. Room tour. Isn't this kind of insane that the lock is like that? So someone can just... Anyways. This is the shared room. I think I opened it and it was dark. This is... Jeez. Okay. Coffee machine. Microwave. Personally, I think it's just beautiful here. Fridge. Jeez. Jeez. Whoa, it's huge! My sister and I are sharing a king-size bed, and it brings me back to the days of LA, sharing a bed with in LA. Man, we had it good in Korea when we had 2 separate rooms in an apartment. If you couldn't already tell, we are here for the Yoongi concert, for the August ski tour in New York. We're on the second day, not the first day, because my sister, you know, she has a vacation day. She works, she has a job. In which so far she funded the entire trip because I have no money to pay her back. But once I get my tax refund, then it's all gone right straight back to her wallet. We're only staying here for 3 nights because we're literally just here for the Yoongi concert on the 27th. There was a Tiffany Cole event today with Gal Gadot, and there's a Tiffany event tomorrow during the concert, and there's the Tiffany event the day after, and we're hoping Jimin's the one on the day after because we are planning to go to Times Square on the day after, and that's where the Tiffany event is. So hopefully we'll see Jimin too. This is my first VIP experience, so we're super excited. Technically I was supposed to have VIP experience with Mott's, but we saw how that turned out. If you're wondering why the quality is terrible compared to my other travel vlogs, it's because I'm filming on an iPhone. I didn't want to bring my vlogging camera. All we did so far was come from the airport and bus all the way here, and here we are like almost 11 p.m. now. And it's almost time for me to go sleep because we're gonna wake up at 6-ish a.m. to eat breakfast and then line up for sound check. If you're wondering why, it's because sound check in the general area, the VIPs are all standing. So we'll see how that goes. I'm gonna suffer. I literally went to the gym this morning. Anyways, bye. To the concert.
Yeah, somebody just love, but I'm thinking about you. Somebody just love, somebody just love, but I'm thinking about you. I'm thinking about you.
Whoa. And you got one for a heart.
I was gonna put one here.
Oh.
Why? It was like a couple.
Put it. Oh shit! I fucking broke it. Anyways, we got our VIP. My sister's literally number 1,000. Isn't that crazy? Yeah, 1,000. Oh, did you want to show it together?
No, I don't know why I did that.
세상에 영원한 건 없어 다 지나가는
Why so serious? Why so serious? Why so serious? I'm so serious. I'm so serious. I'm so okay.
그대가 아니라 홀로 미련이 남는 그대가 그대의 창조와 삶의 끝을 함께하기 그대의 자리가 어딜지라도 반대하기 결국 실현의 끝을 마무리하기 시작은 매약한 전쟁 끝을 창대하기
It's the next day. Yeah.
So far away, you're gone. Getting far away. So far away, you're gone. I know I have to know, yeah. So time to stand and right go. I know you know anything to know. So time to stand and right go.
Voice cancer.
But it doesn't know anymore.
Yeah, I kind of ate that.
Voiceover home.
Today we went to Times Square and Soho and Chinatown. Just briefly, here we have my Ariana Thank You Next 2.0 perfume that I bought at TJ Maxx, which is the equivalent of Winners. Peace sign there because I just started recording with music playing in the background. So, here is my yoongi photo cards that I got with the hoodie that we bought in the merch line from yesterday. Here's a t-shirt we got from yesterday. This is my sister's t-shirt. I also got one myself. I got an extra large, and my sister decided to buy another one after I bought one. Well, in the same line though, in the same queue. And hers is medium. They kind of run large though, just so you know. I got this photo book, which cost me $30 USD, so it's probably more expensive. I mean, not probably, it is more expensive, and we're just shook. Yeah, lost in the lights, lost in. And here is the VIP stuff. This is a VIP badge. This is the floor access. Here is the VIP queue. Now I'm going to show you guys the VIP package. Stickers, bandana, too small for my big ass head. Sweatbands. Freebies. A magnet my sister got from Times Square. Oh, bye.
Toronto. It's time to leave New York and go home. There's nothing you can do.
A guy in a restaurant randomly came out and offered my sister an umbrella. But first he offered in Chinese. He came back out after. He's like, just take it. So nice. Yeah, bye.
Devant vous pour nous aider à maximiser l'espace limité dans les coffres supérieurs.
This is more than a crash, more than a like, more than a lie. Baby, I'ma make you mine, and I ain't giving up. This is more than a crash, more than a like, more than a lie. Baby, I'ma make you mine, and I ain't giving up. Don't run away, don't run away from the truth, 'cause I'm not giving up on you. Don't run away from the truth, 'cause I'm not giving up on you.